So tell me a little bit about the furniture in this place.
Well, we've got furniture, solid wood bedroom sets, dining room sets, top grain leather. We have hot tubs, we have kitchen cabinets. Pretty much anything for the inside or outside of your house, we have it.
And I heard you talk about the price of mattresses.
Usually whatever a store pays for it, they mark it up triple, quadruple of what it is. So that's where we can save people a lot of money.
And I got to tell you, when I walked in and saw all those folks working on the custom cabinetry for kitchens, that was pretty impressive.
Yeah, the cabinets are an absolute home run. I mean, the money you save on the cabinets, literally you can walk away with a brand new hot tub as well.
You can't beat that. You can't beat this either. This is the right, I'm taking the Flex Steel ride here.
Full power recline, top grain leather. I mean, the quality of what we have here is top notch.
Yeah, the prices are great. You got a lot of selection. And the really cool thing is you don't have to join a club. This is not a club.
Right.
Beautiful. Northeast Factory Direct, come on in, take a ride, meet Alex, have some fun.